In India, they've been using plastic waste at a pretty fast pace for road construction, not just for city roads, but also on national highways. There's a huge amount of plastic being used here. You know, in just 3 years, India has built over 62,000 miles of plastic roads. In this video, you'll also learn about the plastic man who started this kind of plastic road initiative and how he revolutionized the road construction industry. India has managed to use plastic waste to cover 437 miles of national highways. We'll dive into the details about this, and trust me, it's going to make the video way more interesting and fun. So stay tuned. An Indian minister, Nitin Gadkari, mentioned that a total of 437 miles of national highways in India have been made using plastic waste. The Indian Road Congress has also provided a lot of guidance on how to incorporate plastic waste into hot bituminous mix, especially for repairing patches and road repairs as part of the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. They're making it mandatory to use plastic waste, particularly on national highways. For areas with a high population density, departments are encouraged to use plastic waste for road construction at no cost per kilometer. They also discuss several important points, mentioning the Green National Highway Initiative. Now let's talk about Dr. Rajya Vasudevan, also known as the Plastic Man, because of his significant contribution to the development of plastic roads in India. He has played a major role in that. He mentioned that for 0.62 miles of road construction, we need 1 ton of plastic, which is about 1 million plastic carry bags. Now, if we look at the whole of India, we have 1.93 million miles of roads. So we don't even have enough plastic to convert into roads. If we can complement our solutions this way in the future, there shouldn't be a plastic problem. This could be a really practical solution for India, especially since there's a lot of potential for plastic road construction here. They use a ton of bitumen and a lot of plastic, but if you look at the roads, they basically just use a standard amount of bitumen based on miles. Plus, the best thing about plastic roads here is that you won't find potholes at all during the monsoon. Another interesting point is that it's really light. It's said to last around 10 years easily, and you'd be surprised to know that even Vasudevan mentioned this about many places in India. In fact, municipal corporations are also using plastic in road construction. For example, the Indore Municipal Corporation is making roads that are super cost-effective and require less maintenance by using plastic waste. In Maharashtra, Pune City is quietly using plastic waste as well. The city generates over 200 tons of waste daily, and in the past 2 years, about 3,000 tons of plastic waste has been used for 62 miles of road. The Pune Municipal Corporation has teamed up with Rajya Environmental Solutions for this. They partnered with a limited company and got a contract to create plastic roads for Cross City. Here, the director of the Rudra Foundation says that plastic roads are really durable and cost-effective. It'll take another 2 years to make these plastic roads even more durable, and their cost keeps decreasing over time. Starting from around $38, it can go down to $24. Plus, the Surat Municipal Corporation is also using this kind of plastic. Since 2018, the corporation started using this type of plastic for the first time, and since then, they've made it mandatory to use plastic waste for their arterial roads. We can say that about 60% of the plastic waste India generates currently gets recycled, but the remaining 40% is a significant problem. It ends up polluting the land and disturbing the entire ecosystem in the city, contributing heavily to air pollution. The issue is that we can easily use about 40% of plastic for road construction, but when it comes to 60% recycled plastic, it usually ends up being pretty dirty. Recycling it involves a lot of intense water processes, which makes it a bit more expensive. That's where plastic roads come in as a great option. Just so you know, they're also making national highways in Jammu and Kashmir using plastic, around 168 miles of it. Miles of roads have already been made from plastic, and as I mentioned in the video at the start, over 62,000 miles of roads in India have been built using plastic waste. The government aims to double this figure in the coming times. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video.